guys, it's your girl Samarra and I'm back with another video. Today we're finna be doing a different kind of video. Today we're finna be attempting to make stacked jeans. And if you don't know what stacked jeans are, this is how it looks. And I just feel like it's so stylish. Like, I've been watching videos on people doing it and how it came out, and it just looks so good. Like, I just want a pair of my own, and I was gonna buy one of my own, but then like people are charging it for like,
freaking $50, $80.
I get it, it's DIY, but you don't gotta charge it that much. You see what I mean? So I'm like, why am I about to buy jeans when I can make it on my own? So today we're gonna be trying to do stacked jeans. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. And let's get into the video. I look hood rat, but that's just how I'm gonna look for the video because this is not a video where I'm required to look cute. I'm gonna be using two jeans. I'm gonna be using these jeans as like my main base, and it's from Hollister. And I was selling these jeans on Depop, but since nobody's like actually like investing their time into it, I'm gonna DIY them. So I'm gonna use these jeans and this jean. The only problem I have is that this jean is darker than this one, but you know it's gonna be at the bottom of the jean, so I'm not really concerned about it. In the video, the girl said that you need to line up the jeans, so that's what I'm gonna do. Line up the jeans so that the ends match, and then she basically just cut it in the middle. That girl did cut it a little bit high up. Jesus. I got my two pieces. Cut, you're gonna turn the inside out. Like that. Basically what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to put this over the jeans, but my problem is I feel like this is a little bit too long. So I'm gonna cut it because I don't need it to be this long. Like, why is it so goddamn long? Okay, so I made it a little bit shorter. Hopefully this is a good size, cause don't be shy, cut some more. Maybe I should cut it a little bit more. Just a tad bit. Just a tad bit. Okay, this should be good. Now I'm gonna turn it inside out like the girl said. Yeah, she said we have to put it in. Okay, y'all, so I put this over it. Now the video says that basically we have to sew a line here, but the thing is I don't got a sewing machine. So instead of using a sewing machine, I'm gonna have my grandmother try to sew and show me how to sew at the same time, so I can attach these two. So I'm gonna try to show y'all, but her room is really dark, so we're just gonna see. You can see this is how one leg is looking, and I'm gonna show y'all basically how I managed to flip it. And I see why they didn't include it in videos, because it's kind of self-explanatory. All you're doing is literally pulling it down until you get your desired look with the ruffles. You could tell, like, you could really tell that these are not the same color at all, which is kind of a bummer. If it was the same color, it would have looked 10 times better. Like, it would look like actually realistic. You see what I mean? So I'm definitely going to be doing this a lot more. Like, I'm definitely going to be making more. I'm going to be doing some out of sweatpants, and your girl is going to be making her own stacked jeans, and that's on period. Since it is not the same color, I am kind of contemplating on, like, taking this from the jeans I cut and, like, putting it on the actual jeans so that it can look like it blends. You see what I mean? Like, taking little patches and putting it. If I do that, I'll be back, guys. I basically put strips of the colored jean I used down below on to the jeans, and they're not sewed in, but the plan is to sew them in. I'm just seeing how I like how it looks. Upload this video, and y'all gonna let me know if you like having these extra patches on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, please don't bash me, because this is my first time. I'm not a pro. I don't know what I'm doing, and I just wanted to try it out. But yeah, this was a kind of short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll just see you in my next video.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzy like I